In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a character on Character AI. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to Character AI. Once the site loads, sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account where you want the new character to be saved, since that will keep everything organized and easy to manage later. If you're already logged in, you can move straight to the next part. After you're on the main Character AI interface, look over to the left-hand sidebar. There, you'll find the Create button marked with a plus symbol. Click that button to open the creation options. This is where Character AI lets you start building different kinds of content. And for this tutorial, we're focusing specifically on making a new character. From the menu that appears, choose Create a Character. This will open the character setup page, where you'll fill in the basic details that define how your character appears to other users. Take a moment here, because these fields are important for making a strong first impression. Start by typing in your character's name. This should be clear and recognizable, especially if you want people to understand your character right away. Next, add a tagline. The tagline is a short description that gives a quick summary of who the character is or what kind of personality they have. Keep it brief but descriptive enough to make the character stand out. Then move on to the greeting. This is the first message users will see when they open a chat with your character, so it helps set the tone immediately. A good greeting can make the interaction feel more natural and engaging, so try to write something that matches the style and personality you want the character to have. You'll also have the option to upload an avatar image. Choose an image that visually fits the character you're creating. A good avatar helps make the character more memorable and gives the profile a more polished look. Once those details are filled in, set the visibility for your character. You can choose public if you want anyone to find and use it, unlisted if you only want people with a direct link to access it, or private if you want to keep it just for yourself. Pick the option that best matches how you plan to use the character. When everything looks good, click Create Chat. That will finish the setup and open your new character so you can start interacting with it right away.